Did you know that women who express anger during illness recovery heal 30% faster than those who stay polite? A groundbreaking medical study revealed something shocking about the so-called difficult patient. Women who advocated aggressively for their medical needs had significantly better health outcomes than those who worried about being pleasant. Here's why this matters. Anger actually activates your immune system and triggers stress hormones that accelerate healing. But there's a darker truth here. Medical professionals often dismiss women's pain when they're polite and compliant. However, when women demand attention and refuse to be ignored, suddenly their symptoms are taken seriously. The research showed that nice patients get overlooked, while assertive ones get proper care. This isn't about being rude, it's about survival. Your anger in healthcare settings isn't a character flaw. It's your body's healing mechanism demanding the care you deserve. Stop apologizing for advocating for yourself. Your life literally depends on it.